Igbo/English calendar July 2025 with 4 market days: Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. The first day of July 2025 is Tuesday, that is Orie Day. Second day of July, Wednesday, Afọ Day. Third day of July, Thursday, Nkwọ Day. Fourth day, Friday, Eke Day. Fifth day, Saturday, Orie Day. Sixth day, Sunday, Afọ Day. Seventh day of July, Monday, Nkwọ Day. Eighth day of July 2025, Tuesday, Eke Day. Ninth day of July, Wednesday, Orie Day. 10th day, Thursday, Afọ Day. Friday, 11th July, Nkwọ Day. Saturday, 12th July, Eke Day. Sunday, 13th July, Orie Day. Monday, 14th July, Afọ Day. Tuesday, 15th July, Nkwọ Day. Wednesday, 16th July, Eke Day. Thursday, 17th July, Orie Day. Friday, 18th July, Afọ Day. Saturday, 19th July, Nkwọ Day. Sunday, 20th July, Eke Day. Monday, 21st July, Orie Day. Tuesday, 22nd July, Afọ Day. Wednesday, 23rd July, Nkwọ Day. Thursday, 24th July, Eke Day. Friday, 25th July, Orie Day. Saturday, 26th July, Afọ Day. Sunday, 27th July, Nkwọ Day. Monday, 28th July 2025, Eke Day. Tuesday, 29th July, Orie Day. Wednesday, 30th July, Afọ Day. Thursday, 31st July 2025, Nkwọ Day. Now you have seen that July 2025 will end on Thursday, being 31st. Like and follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.